This tenant's got a cracked tank lever handle, so time to replace it. Remove the lid. First things first, flush the toilet, turn off the water so that not anything that falls in doesn't get too crazy wet, easier to work. Pop this piece off. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. There's a crack. Throw the new part in. And now what I like to do here, once I get it secured, is I like to snip the ends right there, as you'll see I'm about to do. This way that the chain doesn't interfere, or the lever doesn't interfere and rub against the tank and the inside of the tank. This way the flapper closes properly and there's no issues there. Snip the end of the chain so that it's perfectly taut. Let's fill that water back up in the tank. Once that's full, then we'll test it out and see how it works and see if it's tight enough on the flapper. Good to go.